Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of QuickBooks Online, showing you step by step how to set up recurring invoices with Autopay in QuickBooks Online. Alright, let's jump right into it. Now, before we dive into this step-by-step process, let's talk about the incredible benefits of setting up recurring invoices with Autopay. Imagine this, you no longer have to manually create and send invoices each month. QuickBooks Online does it for you automatically. Plus, with Autopay, your clients can effortlessly pay their invoices without the hassle of reminders or late payments. Click on the New button here and then Invoices. Now click on Make Recurring. Now fill in the necessary details such as your client's name, billing address, and payment terms. You can even customize the invoice template to match your brand's style from here. Once you've set up the invoice details, it's time to configure the Autopay feature. Choose the preferred payment method, whether it's credit card or bank transfer. Make sure you have Autopay option enabled. Lastly, review the invoice settings and select the desired frequency for recurring invoices. And there you have it. After you've filled in everything, click on Save Template. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can set up recurring invoices with Autopay in QuickBooks Online, saving your time, reducing manual errors, and ensuring timely payments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like button and subscribe to our channel for more business tips and tricks. As always, thank you for watching.